28 million views, 10 million views, 6.8, 5.3. क्या बात है. This person is making huge money by creating such kind of videos. And if you want to learn how to create these videos and make a passive income for yourself in the year 2026, let's learn how to create this kind of videos with the help of very simple tool named as Golpo AI. Welcome back. In this video, we'll understand how to create storyboarding videos which are simple whiteboard animation videos without using any effort. You don't need an editor, you don't need a person who's very creative. This simple AI tool can help you to create beautiful videos within minutes. Now, with the help of this particular tool, you can start earning a passive income on different YouTube channels. Just by posting 100 videos, this channel has got 2.64 million subscribers. So I think this kind of videos can be generated. Those can be educational videos, those can be marketing videos, or for different purposes. Now let us understand how do you create these videos effortlessly with a single prompt. Let's begin. The very first thing you can see is you can click on the link given in the description, which is video.golpo.ai. When you go to this website, you just have to do a basic sign up. The details and credentials you can enter. Now, once you enter onto this website, we'll directly jump into how to create this video. It's very simple, straightforward. Now, in today's world, everything can be done with the help of prompt. You write a prompt, you get a photo, you get a video, you get a description, everything. Now, on this platform, if you see, the first one is given as write a prompt. Now, I'm not good into prompting, but I can take help of AI to write a prompt. So I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll tell them, I do not know how to write a prompt. Help me to create a prompt for creating a video on a topic, how to earn passive income in the year 2026. And give me a good prompt over there. And that's it. And when I click on send, ChatGPT help me to create a prompt. Okay. Now, obviously, you can copy paste, but once you check it, if it is right as per your expectation, then you can copy paste. If not, keep on talking to ChatGPT. It will give you a good prompt. Now I copied the prompt from here and I'll just go to Golpo and I can just paste it there. Now that is one method, but sometimes you already have a prompt, the boss has already given you a prompt or a notepad or a text. So that is also fine. If you already have an attachment, you can just paste the attachment or you can copy the attachment and you can put it directly there. That is also possible. The next one is once you do this process, there are some customization options as well. Okay, the customization options are like, for example, if you want to choose the accent, okay, for US accent, you need US accent person in the US location. For UK, different accent is required. So depending upon the location you're working, depending upon your target audience location, you can choose the accent. There are some other things as well which you can build up, and those are very simple. Again, if you see, like the duration, 1 minute duration on shorts. Okay, so what is your target audience and what you're trying to tell them? So pick up the duration accordingly. The second one is orientation. If it is a mobile based application, use portrait. If it is a desktop based application, use landscape. The language you can choose, you can make it local language. The voice plays a very important role. Voice modulation, voice impulse, the pauses and the style. These are very important when you want to convey any message. And the last one would be the style. You can choose the way you want to pick up the style option here. Now, after doing all this setting customization, it's not that difficult. So again, if I recap, we entered a prompt. We also have an option of uploading a document. We choose the accent. We change the duration, orientation, language, voice and style. That's it. This simple steps, and then I can just click on generate. The moment I click on generate this video, what will happen is it will not give me the video directly. It will first give me a script because we wrote a prompt. And after generate this video, a script come here. Obviously, if I like the script, I can go ahead. But if you want to make some changes on this script, you can edit, delete or copy paste. Any option if you see, you can pick up from there. And finally, after polishing this particular script over there, now you can just click on generate and it will generate the MP4 video. Now it takes little longer time as compared to other usual tools, but yeah, this is good. Once it is done, finally we can see this MP4 video, and let us see this video first.
Thinking about earning money while you sleep in 2026? That's the promise of passive income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes real work up front, but it is achievable.
Now, the video looks good, but I think if you want to make some changes, I am happy with the video, but if you want to make the changes, we still have an edit button. What I'm trying to say is you can edit even without being an editor, okay, video editor. So once you click on edit, the screenshots are given here, the clips are given everywhere. And again, if you want to edit, just give a prompt and you can edit the entire video here. So those clips also can be edited. And after polishing those videos which you want to edit, you can just again click on generate, and this will get you the final output as an MP4. MP4 is a universal format which can be uploaded to any social media platform. Now, coming back to the first part of this video, there was a channel which has generated 28 million views, okay, 10 million and 6.8 millions with this duration. So just by creating 100 videos, so I'm just giving the exposure to the tool, but these are some qualities which are required. Consistency, accuracy, accountability, ownership, okay, these are some qualities also which are required. And by just creating 100 videos, you never know, this person has got 2.64, you might get 10 million, 5 million views as well. But other things are also required to create this kind of videos. And I think like this, there are many similar tools, but Golpo AI is one of the best right now. It's new in the market. Explore this tool because the first credit is completely free for the first time users. Check out the link in the description and you can start using this Golpo AI.